A design is only as good as the craftsmanship. You can have the best idea for something, but if it's not functional and it doesn't look right and the craftsmanship isn't there, it's not a finished product. I'm Tim Tierney, head of product at Stock Manufacturing. Stock Manufacturing designs and manufactures apparel and accessories. So Oak and Oscar reached out to us a couple years ago, and we connected, came over to their shop and had some whiskey and hashed out a plan to come up with a wallet. Working with Chase and John has been great because they come from a design background and they're very detail oriented. These guys knew exactly what they wanted, so it's really just kind of bringing their ideas to life. So the production process starts with die cutting. You got to get all your components cut. Then we go ahead and assemble the interior, putting the pockets on, the suede onto the felt. Leather patch on the left side. Once the interior is assembled, we assemble the exterior. And then those components are going to come together. Some of the things you might not think about is there are 4 different colors of thread on this thing. There's interfacing in between the layers that you don't see. There's a lot of steps that go into making these things. We want our craftsmanship to be top-notch as always, and we want the little details to stand out. Working with the craftsmen, it helps you land on a better product. We're trying to make something that's as user-friendly as possible. We wanted people to get things and not even think about how they're using it. It just comes naturally, it's intuitive. It may not look that complicated, but when you've designed and developed this from the ground up, you see every step that goes into making it come together, and the fact that it is and it doesn't seem that way means it's a really beautiful design.